So for the last couple of months, you guys have been hearing me blabber on about a DIY CNC machine that I've been building from scratch. And this you've seen nonstop, basically. Everything I do, I'm working on this thing. And if you give me a second here, let me show you, as we're getting a little closer to what I'm trying to accomplish, let me see if I can show you what I'm trying to do. Now this frame here is made up of 1.5 by 3 inch by 3/16 wall rectangular tubing. Made into a rectangle. Now what I'm going to do is another one of these pieces I'm going to lay sideways on the inside, just like this. Not like this, but a full piece. I've got to pick up another 2 of these, but a full piece going lengthwise that is going to be what this bolts down to. Now this is going to have another block on it like this does here to carry the main plate, and the main plate is going to be something like this. So this will be the y-axis going this way. Your vise will be on this. Now, if you will, stand this up so you have your z-axis like this. So this essentially will be lifted up in, approximately the center of the machine. And this will go up and down with the spindle. And this is the x-axis that will go side to side. Again, it's getting there. We're getting there slow but sure. I have to pick up another 1.5 by 3 inch rectangular piece. I have the ball screw. This is the ball screw for this thing. So I believe, as of now, we have everything. So we're good to go. I just got to get it together. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update where I was at with it. I know you guys have listened to me ramble on about this thing long enough, so just wanted to show you a little bit of progress. All right, guys. Catch you later.